Inverse function. An inverse function is a function that reverses another function. What an inverse function basically does is to undo what the original function did. For example, say we have a function f which takes x and gives y, then the inverse function f inverse will take that y and give x. Now, let's take a look at these examples. So, how do we find the inverse of this function? F of x equal 2 minus 3x. Now, to solve this, we are going to be taking 3 steps. The first step is to rewrite f of x as y. The second step is to make x the subject of the equation. And the third step is to swap the variables, that is, write x in place of y and y in place of x. So for this, we are going to rewrite f of x as y. So this becomes y is equal to 2 minus 3x. Now, making x subject of the equation, we have 3x is equal to 2 minus y. Dividing both sides by 3, we have x is equal to 2 minus y over 3. Next, we swap the variables, that is, we write x in place of y and y in place of x. So this becomes y is equal to 2 minus x over 3. And this is the inverse function. So write this as f inverse of x is equal to 2 minus x over 3. Now, let's take a look at this example. We are still going to be following the previous steps. First, we rewrite g of x as y. Next, we make x subject of the equation. And lastly, we swap the variables. That is, we write x in place of y and y in place of x. Now, rewriting g of x as y, this becomes y is equal to 2x plus 3 over 3x minus 2. Next, we make x subject of the equation. Cross multiplying, we have y into bracket 3x minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 3. Removing the brackets, we have 3xy minus 2y is equal to 2x plus 3. Now, we collect like terms with respect to x. This becomes 3xy minus 2x is equal to 3 plus 2y. Factorizing x, we have x into bracket 3y minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 2y. Dividing both sides by 3y minus 2, we have x is equal to 3 plus 2y over 3y minus 2. Next, we swap the variables, that is, we write x in place of y and y in place of x. So this becomes y is equal to 3 plus 2x over 3x minus 2. And this is the inverse function.